Now dear students, the schematic you are just seeing, I have just designed it for my client, and you can see over here that it's a hierarchical schematic, which means that it have a root sheet, and there are bunch of subsheets. And in the root sheet, you can see over here this is subsheet symbol, this one is subsheet, this is subsheet, and this one is subsheet, this is subsheet. So these are all the subsheets, and over here you can see that this hierarchical pin is from the subsheet SN-S01 is connected to this hierarchical sheet symbol using this hierarchical pin. So this is the hierarchical pins we have used, and you can even let's say if I double click over here, this will take us to the SNS00 sheet, and this is a schematic or the section of that particular circuit we have drawn in this sheet SNS00. Similarly, these are all the sheets that we have added in our root sheet, and this is the switched output is the sheet that is added to the root sheet, while switched output has subsheets with the name switched 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. And over here you can see that this is our symbol of our hierarchical, this is hierarchical sheet symbol. Similarly, this is on this one, these are the four hierarchical sheet symbols or four hierarchical sheets added into the parent sheet named as switched output. Similarly, double click on this, you will see the circuit that is designed in this particular subsheet. Similarly, these are the mounting holes that are used that will be used in the PCB that we have just added in a single sheet. And these are all the that are related to indications, and this sheet is related to MCU. So it depends upon you how you organize your schematic, in which way you organize your schematic, how many number of sheets you want to use, how many sections you want to create, and how you connect these sheets with one another. You can even use global labels, you can use hierarchical labels, and I think there might be some net label, local label used. You can use them as per your the way you want to organize your schematic. So this was just an example. I just thought I can show you this example, this practical example, where you can see that we have at least 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 3, 10, 11 and 3, 14. At least we have 14 sheets in our schematic. So the hierarchical sheets are the hierarchical the schematic hierarchy helps us to draw a larger or a complex circuit in KiCad.